Assalamualaikum everyone. First of all, I just want to thank you all for your support. It really means a lot to me and for us. So today I am sharing with you one of the most beautiful spots in Pallandri, Azad Kashmir. This place is called Dar Drach. It's a famous viewpoint where you can see stunning mountains and the Jhelum River flowing down below. Just look at how peaceful and amazing this view is. If you ever visit Pallandri, Azad Kashmir, you must come here to experience this beauty for yourself. So stay with me as I show you more of these incredible places.